In part 3 of this tutorial, we will publish a workspace to FME server so that it triggers a success or a fail notification upon completion. So let's add a new text file writer named Notifier to the canvas and connect it to the JSON templater transformer. Expand the attributes for the text file writer and connect the _results attribute from the JSON templater to the text line data attribute on the writer. Publish the workspace to FME server and supply the FME server connection parameters. When publishing a workspace from FME Workbench to FME server, the final step is selecting which web service to register. When you get to the Register Services dialog, select the Edit button to open the Job Submitter Service properties. Set the Job Submitter Service properties to post to topics for both success and failure events, using the sample success topic and sample fail topic, respectively. Also, ensure the post data from writer is set to Notifier, and that the Send HTTP message body input box remains empty as you publish the workspace. Log into FME server and verify the workspace has been published. We can also verify that the sample success topic and sample fail topic both exist as topics. Configure a new subscription which is subscribed to the sample success topic. We can make use of the pre-existing default subscription, but for this exercise we will create a new subscription simply called Success. Select Email for the protocol and make the necessary changes to the protocol settings. Click OK to accept the changes, and the subscription will receive a green checkmark when all parameters have been correctly configured. Select the Success subscription using the checkbox and click Duplicate to make a copy of the subscription. Using this copied subscription, we will change the name to Fail. Set the topic subscription to Sample Fail Topic. Update the SMTP password, and change the email subject to fail. Run the newly published workspace and check for a notification sent to the sample success topic when the job completes successfully. Test for fail conditions by providing an invalid source dataset, which will generate a failure notification sent to sample fail topic.